In today's short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Telegram account permanently without waiting for 30 days. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to delete your Telegram account, you need to click on these three horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screens. Go to settings, scroll down and click on this Telegram FAQ option. Again, scroll down. And below this your account tab, you will see this option delete your Telegram account. So click on it. Then click on this deactivation page option. Now you will be directed to your internet browser. Now you need to enter your phone number that is linked with your Telegram account and then click on next. So now a confirmation code will be sent to your phone number and all you have to do is to enter that confirmation code here. So open your Telegram and copy this code right here. Once you have copied the code, go back to your internet browser and paste the confirmation code here. Then click on the sign in option. Now scroll down and click on this delete my account option. Click on yes, delete my account. And that's it. Your Telegram account is now deleted permanently without waiting for 30 days. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.